Hey, buddy.
Hey,
Today,
buddy.
I'm supposed to work on this wiring.
Okay. Let's get it.
So yeah, I think in all it'll be a total of 5
Members of the Jackson 5.
wires leading from the car
Oh,
to the control box.
Mike. My bad.
So I'm just gonna wire these up right quick. The juice.
Alright, dog.
Here go the battery I ordered.
Didn't I order that?
I got this off of Amazon,
I got that off
and I also
Amazon.
bought a battery charger.
Okay, you did get the charger.
You know, so I could charge it up if it ever
if it ever what?
go down or whatever. So yeah, I got the expert power.
Here we go.
Obviously, I'm an expert. You know what I'm saying?
Really?
Yeah, really. What would you call me? Yeah, you don't want to know what I would call you. Anyway,
Shall I elaborate?
I'm getting the battery ready so I could test out what we got.
Okay.
Now keep in mind this ain't all the wires. I still got some more wires to put on
Let's
here.
see what it do.
But I just want to see what it could do.
Test one.
Test one. All right.
Test one.
Yeah.
What you doing?
I don't know. We seem to be having some technical difficulties.
Oh.
Just hold on. Hold your horses.
I mean, you started up like
Yeah.
this.
Let's see.
Now we
I could have
installing it.
let's just. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
You see that? Yeah.
I see.
Okay.
Is that? What is
I don't
Is that
know.
what it's supposed to do?
I don't
I mean,
exactly know if this
I don't
is
know, I'm new to this,
exactly
so-
what it's supposed
I
to
mean,
do,
it
but
look
this is
alright.
what it's doing. I mean,
Yeah, you
I
gotta work
don't
it.
know.
I mean, it looks
It keep getting
Yeah.
stuck in an up position. So I don't know. I might have to do something about that. But
you might have to do something about
for
that.
the most
but,
part, it's working.
it look like it's doing something. I mean, I don't know. I guess that's what it's
I don't
supposed
know.
to do. So,
It look
yeah.
it look like it's doing something. It's not doing nothing. Yeah, it's not doing nothing. I mean, yeah, you feel me? I mean,
That's the opposite of something.
I got everything where it's supposed to go.
Yeah,
So
alright, what
I'm
we
just
doing
put
here?
this
Okay,
body
you go
on
put the,
here and
you just go put the
what
top
do
on
you
there.
mean? I mean, it's
I don't know if this is a good look, but
yeah. See, I got it. Oh, look at it. We hopping.
Alright.
Wait. The thing came off. Wait.
You're
Oh,
laughing at
okay.
you, bro.
Yep. I just gotta tighten that up. Wait, hold on.
Tighten what up?
The thing up. Hold up.
Can we end this?
Quit hating.
Stop.
Just watch, man.
All right,
Just sit back.
get it.
Get you some popcorn or
That's a good
something.
test. All right.
All right. That was weird.
But
You
anyway,
weird.
What we doing now?
Well, right now, I'm gonna get this control box
okay.
wired up. Try to anyway.
Let's get that
somewhat.
taken care of.
Now I'm looking at the instructions.
Okay.
The instructions seem pretty
Yeah, the
simple.
instructions look
see,
pretty simple.
See what I mean? They look pretty simple. So I don't think we're gonna have too much problem with the wiring part.
Yeah, you got the wiring
It's
down.
just the installation is kind of tough.
Now, what do you mean by?
So I took the locking washers off because I was just test fitting it. You know what I'm saying? Just seeing what's going on with what. I mean, I'm gonna hook the box up later on.
I was
So
about to say,
I didn't want nothing
hook that
permanent
box
right
up.
now.
Hey, I used to have
A
that
little
game.
Mario action. So this part right here, this little bar, this is what gave me the most problems. You know what I'm saying? So
Well, let's see how you handle it.
right now, I'm gonna try to solder it to the post of the switches, and it's not gonna go too well.
Okay, so what go wrong?
You know, you'll see that for yourself.
Okay, I guess I'll see for myself.
Got it all clamped up, ready to solder. Just to put my flux on.
Flux time.
Putting my flux on.
Okay.
Everything seems simple, right?
A little step by step, huh?
Okay.
I mean, it looks good right
So
now.
I got that all hooked up.
I don't understand what the problem comes
Now it's time to get down to the nitty gritty.
I'll never say nitty gritty again. Okay.
Got my
let's go.
soldering iron. And let's get to it.
Let's get to it then. Now, I
I've been heating this thing up for a while,
Okay.
and it just don't seem like it want to solder. So
Oh, you have to
yeah,
walk
it's
away.
Kinda frustrating. Sometimes you gotta step away and, you know what I'm saying, come back. So
Yeah,
you don't
might really
mess it up any worse than you already have.
I do it all
Probably.
the time.
You know.
Wait,
What? So we're gonna try it. Getting some solder down. I mean, it looks a little better.
It looks like it's working.
Still not acting like I want it to act, but you know, whatever. So I had to get some extra solder out the way.
See, we have some problems over there.
Yeah. Now, at this point, I know things aren't going the way I planned. I'm looking at what I did,
Yeah, I'm looking at what you
and
did
it might
too.
look like it's good, but I already know it's
Okay.
not. See, it's not.
All right.
So,
we
yeah,
got a
I'm
big
just gonna
mess right here.
approach this a different way.
It's just a big waste of time, waste of material, waste of
Yeah,
effort.
there's really no need for
Laughing at you.
yeah, laughter or anything. I don't understand what's going on with the now if it's do it how I would do it. You know, I was trying to do it the way the instructions said with the bar. So now I'm just gonna do it how Gerald would do it.
All right.
And as you can see,
I see you. You should have did this in the beginning.
Gerald ain't having no problems right now.
So now you gonna do it like Gerald? You go. Wait. Are we speaking in the fourth person?
What are you talking about? Because you was talking about Gerald.
Anyway,
I was talking about Gerald, and I mean, you're Gerald.
so I got that wired up. I mean, not really how they intended,
Okay.
you know, because I was supposed to use this bar.
Yeah,
but we don't like bars.
we don't like bars.
So I got it wired up, and to tell you the truth, I was kind of so frustrated, I just had to put the wiring part down for a minute, and I decided to work on my roof rack.
Yeah,
You know,
let's work on that roof.
You know, I
rack.
used that round rod, that brass rod,
a lot of sanding.
and I kind of wanted to square it up, put some angles onto it. You know what I'm saying?
Some angles.
So I just did a lot of sanding, a lot of
A
sanding,
whole lot of sanding.
and put those sharp edges on it. You know what I'm
Careful,
saying?
don't cut yourself.
Gave it the look I wanted to give it. And yeah, I mean, you can't really hardly tell, but
I mean, I
trust
can
me,
kind of
it's
see.
flat edges on it, flat.
Hey, I guess that's
You know, whatever.
Yeah, huh?
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.
See y'all next time. Peace.
Peace.